He became the 99th player overall in PBA history to reach 5,000 career points. The 94th local player, only the 14th among active players, and only the 5th to achieve it with a Malcolm's uniform. PBA fans, please join us in giving a round of applause to Chris Newsom.